Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to talk about how to find the vertex of a parabola if we're given the parabola in the form f of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to do a little bit of a different form of completing the square here. So the first thing I'm going to do is do what's going to look like a weird method of factoring. I'm going to rewrite this as a times x squared plus bx. Leave myself some space here. Then put the plus c on the outside. And now, just like we did when solving an equation by completing the square, we can write plus b over 2a squared. And now, on the outside, we have to subtract minus a times b over 2a squared. And I am going to leave that alone on the outside for now. So now we can rewrite this piece. We chose those numbers as we did so that it comes out to a square. So a times x plus b over 2a squared plus c minus a b over 2a squared. Well, now we have this in vertex form where our h is equal to minus b over 2a. And then this mess is our k. Now, I deliberately didn't do anything with that because in actuality, we don't need a fancy formula like that for k. Because if I plug this minus b over 2a in for x up here, I have in parentheses minus b over 2a plus b over 2a. Well, that's 0. Squaring it and multiplying by a, it's still 0. So f of minus b over 2a is equal to that. So c minus a times b over 2a squared. So therefore, we do not need that formula to tell us what that is. We can just say the vertex of this parabola is minus b over 2a, then the function evaluated at minus b over 2a. So that's how we find a vertex given the function in ax squared plus bx plus c form, which most textbooks will call standard form. However, our textbook actually calls the vertex form standard form, and then they don't give this thing a name. So that's how we can evaluate or figure out the vertex if we're given the parabola in ax squared plus bx plus c form. Everything else we need to figure out is no different than when we had it in vertex form. So that will complete the videos for this section. The only other thing the textbook talks about is the maximum and minimum of quadratic functions. Just know that that occurs at the vertex. So again, that'll do it for today's videos. In tomorrow's videos, or actually the videos for Monday, we're going to take a look at some of the basic ideas behind polynomial functions.